Hi guys, welcome to my big ticket commissions review. And right now we are on the members area, and I'm going to talk about what the big ticket commission does. It's actually a cloud-based software that helps you get high ticket commissions as well as build a mailing list without having to have a website, a product to sell, and you generate simple leads with it. So now, before we get into the members area and what you're going to get when you decide to purchase this product, let me show you the bonuses you'll get if you decide to buy this product from me. And 1 second. So basically, you're going to learn how to build a buyer's list. So this is going to help you know what kind of people are going to buy from you. You know where you're going to get them from. And then we're going to have how to write headlines that sell. Since this one helps you, the big ticket commission helps you to get clients, traffic. You'll eventually want to sell your own high ticket products, and you want to know how to write headlines that will captivate people. So this will help you with that. Then you want to know how to get 2,000 in 20 minutes using Facebook groups. This is a free strategy of getting traffic that is not going to make you look spammy or anything. So after you set it up and work on it, after 20 minutes you start seeing sales. This is just also plus a testimonial of actually someone who did it. So that's what it is about. And then we have a crazy traffic explosion. This is also a good way to get even more traffic from your sales or from the products you're advertising that you're going to get from the big ticket commissions. They are very easy strategies because they say what it is. I also give it away, so you just get into it and you see exactly what it is. And then you're going to get all the vendor bonuses that come with this app, because it's a software. So now let's get to the members area. So this is the members area. You're going to get your own profile. You create new campaigns. You're going to look at the training, done for you funnels too. So if you're very new to this kind of online business or affiliate marketing, then done for you funnels is the best way to do it for you, because it takes quite an amount of time to do it. Unlimited version means unlimited funnel sites that you can get or products that you can sell, so they become unlimited. 30k upgrade, affiliate info too. So let's just look at the kind of products you'll be advertising. Oh my. Okay guys, this is the kind of affiliate products you're going to be selling. Super affiliate system, project profit academy, passive income system, and simple Wi-Fi profits. These are actually recent products that have not been even in the market for too long. Some of them, actually majority of them, I think I only see like one that is slightly on the older side. And so you know that you're getting fresh products that have been sold by everyone and now they are saturated. So this is a good thing. Then we also have, they also have a training. They show you step by step how to use the system, the funnels that they have done for you and everything, depending on what level of the product you're going to promote. Then you have unlimited versions. That's unlimited unlimited affiliate programs that you're going to promote. Then unlimited traffic. and all that. So we have also affiliate info 2. I hope it opens this time. Yes, you can see the other products. So it depends. If you upgrade your purchase, then that's when you get even more products to advertise. 1K a day fast track. Then you have commissions, hero, partnership to success, 6 figures, membership method, growth, commander, CB, passive income. So some of them are from Clickbank, some of them are from other sources. So you get a variety. So it all depends with you, and they also help you get approval for the affiliate links. So you don't have to worry about that. They show you how to do all that. So that's how it is. So we are going to go into the OTOs, the price structure on how it is. So here we go. It's going to, this product is actually launching on Thursday on at 9 p.m. Eastern on the 7th of May 2020. So when it's first launched, it's going to be $17, and then at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern midnight, it'll be $19. Then the second day it'll be $21. Then the third day it's going to be $22, and then the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth day is going to be $23. Then on the 7th day it's going to be $24. Then on Thursday midnight it's going to be $37. So the first OTO or upgrade, you get it for unlimited what do you call it, sales or affiliate links and all that. You get the unlimited version, so it's going to be limited to a few things. Then you have the done for you. This unlimited comes at 67, but if you find 67 is too expensive, you can say you are not interested, and then you get it at 47. Then the done for you is going to be the done for you funnels. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is put your affiliate link and you drive sales. So you get it at 97, but if you find it too expensive for you, you can get it at 67. So you just say no to that offer, then you take at the 67 offer. Then we have unlimited traffic. They charge you 97 front end. Then if you don't want, you can downgrade it to 67. Then you get 30K per month. They show you a different kind of strategy where you can start getting now 30K per month. So you can even get even more sales. You get it at 67, and if you find it too expensive, you can downgrade it to 47. The super affiliate, that one I have no idea exactly what you're getting, but they'll explain to you what exactly it is. It's going to be 67. If you find it too expensive, you downgrade to 37. Then you get license rights, which is 197. That gives you access to sell this product as your own. If you're not interested or you find this too expensive, you can save $100 and get it at 90. Oh, I've pressed something. And get it at 97. So that's how you get it. Sorry. Yeah. At 97. So that's the price. So this product, it's very good. It's very good for beginners as well as for it's very good for beginners as well as for advanced or mature affiliate sellers. But the thing is, if you're a complete beginner, my advice for you is to get the done for you, because you don't have to go through all the time wasting. And if you really want to see results as fast as possible, you get the done for you. And also the traffic, the unlimited traffic, because they help you get unlimited traffic. They have even a traffic affiliate It's like a lab, a traffic affiliate lab, which they give you a discount so you can get unlimited traffic all the time. You don't have to go to learn how to pay to get a paid ads. And then you get the unlimited affiliate sales. For me, I would say just get the done for you and the unlimited traffic, because this is actually what you need, because you going through the learning process takes a bit of time. It can even take, depending on how fast you are as a learner, it'll take a bit of time. But if you want to see fast result, take the done for you and the unlimited traffic. Then these ones you can upgrade later on, after now you're starting to see profits and all that. Then you can upgrade to all this. Then now you get even more money. So for me, it's the fast, the done for you, and the unlimited traffic. Then from there, you start learning things on your own, how to get your own traffic, how to do your own funnels, webinars, and all that. Then you upgrade as you grow, as you see sales and all that. So this kind of product, obviously, the advantages of it, it has done for you product, funnels. You don't have to do all that work of doing a webinar, and you get even traffic. They give you access to maybe their list of clients that they're using, and so that you get results. You see results faster. Now the only disadvantage is that you don't get to learn immediately, because most of the things are done for you. So if it's done for you, don't get to learn how they're actually done, how it's actually done. So it becomes a disadvantage with that. And also another advantage, you're able to set up your own email list. They have a set of, I don't know if it'll open, they have a set of autoresponders that you can use. They see the best. Now some of them are free, some of them are maybe 30-day trial. If you get the sales immediately, that's a good thing. But if you don't, then that's unfortunate. So it's also a good idea to learn how to send emails, because it saves you on spending so much time on learning how to send emails that actually people click on and read. So the disadvantage, you'll not know how to do that, since now you're getting everything done for you. So they have everything done for you. So that's the only disadvantages. But the advantage is you get to get sales as fast as possible. Then you can later on learn how to do it. So that's the only disadvantage. But the better advantage is that you're getting sales now. So it's a good thing. So now when you decide, if you find this is a product that is good for you, you can get it and acquire all how to build your buyers list. And also it's a good way to shows you also how to build your list by using your email address as well. And then this one is going to show you later on how to rate headlines that sell. Then you also learn how to get also free traffic on your own, so that it becomes a sustainable business, just not a one-time thing. Then you also get to get even more traffic methods that will explode your business, obviously, plus the vendor bonuses as well. So I want to say thank you for watching my big ticket commissions review, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.